Soil, Part 2. Soil serves as the interface between earth, air, and water. Land pollution negatively affects human life and environment. Let us see to what extent we are responsible for producing waste. Prepare a list of waste materials thrown out in a day from morning to evening and classify them as wet and dry waste as shown in the table. Weigh the wet waste and divide it by the number of people at your home. The result will be per capita waste produced in one day. Multiplying the result with 30 gives the amount of waste generated in a month. Multiplying the result with 365 gives the amount of waste generated in a year. The waste produced is dumped at vacant places in urban as well as rural areas. While some gets decomposed in course of time, some don't. The waste generated from various sources can be categorized into two types, namely biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste includes substances that can be degraded by microbes into harmless and non-toxic substances. Agricultural and animal waste like leaves, twigs, hay, dung, etc. are biodegradable wastes. Non-biodegradable waste cannot be easily degraded. Aluminium cans, plastics, glass, etc. are examples of non-biodegradable wastes. Nowadays, e-waste also leads to soil pollution. Decomposition is the process by which organic substances are broken down into simpler forms of matter. Decomposition returns nutrients to the soil such that they can be taken up by the roots of living plants. Thus, biodegradable materials contribute directly to the fertility of the soil. On the other hand, non-biodegradable materials contribute directly to land pollution due to improper waste management. In simple words, soil or land pollution is the addition of substance which adversely affects the quality of soil or its fertility. Solid waste like cloth, glass, metal, medical waste, sewage, sludge, building debris generated from household, commercial and industrial establishments, as well as pesticides and fertilizers, add to soil pollution. A soil pollutant is any factor which deteriorates the quality, texture and mineral content of the soil, or which disturbs the biological balance of the organisms of the soil. There are different ways by which land pollution can occur. Soil or land is commonly used as dumps for household and domestic wastes. In many intensively farmed areas, leaching of nutrients from manure or inorganic fertilizers and effluents from processing units may lead to high level of nitrate and other chemicals in groundwater. Atmospheric deposition of air pollutants also contribute to soil pollution. On the basis of sources of pollutants, soil pollution can be